Right, and guys, going to show you how to fit a Ducato relay boxer Fox running boards. This is for a short wheelbase, and this bracket here is for the rear. As you can see from the plates, go out to the left, and the one that's connecting the bar goes out to the right. You need a small L plate and a big one. The middle, as you can see, this angle, and then the one connecting goes out to the right again. You need this U-shape bolt or one small L plate, and for the front it's this angle with one connecting to the bar going to the left. They are handed, so make sure this is for the passenger side. If you go over to the driver's side, all you'll need is the one for the front, which is that way. And the middle one is not necessary for a short wheelbase. The reason for this is the fixing point goes right in the way of the exhaust, but it's not necessary for a short wheelbase. So for the driver's side you only need two, and for the rear, again, like on the driver's side, goes out that way. One connecting to the bars go to the left. Right, we're going to be fitting the rear side, the rear first for the passenger side, and this is the fixing point. As you can see along here, you've got the grommets. I've already took that one out. This one will be for your middle, so on and so forth, and for your front there's no grommets, but that's your fixing point. So for the rear, it's literally go into there and then onto there, and all you got to do, your big chunky one, that slots in there. Your smaller one will go in like that. Right, fitting this, you'll need a 13mm nut for the front and a 17 for the rear. So the kit, you'll need a 17mm and a 13mm ratchet and spanner, and that's it. No drilling required. Always do it finger tight first. Right, for the middle bracket, fixing point there with the U-bolt, you literally go into one and it'll slot down into the other, and the small L plate into that fixing point there. So that's one where the grommets will come out of. This one is 3 13mm bolts. Again, always finger tight. Right, this one's for the front, and the L plate goes into this existing point here. And as you can see with this one, it goes through the back, and it's got a hole there. So you just got to get that lined up there. And when it comes to getting the bracket on, you offer it in place. And this will allow you at the back to hold that plate down to get your nut and washer in. and 17 nut and washer for the front. What's that then? Oh, I can ring you. That don't sound clever. Oh, I can ring. As you can see, we've left all these brackets extremely loose for by the time I get the bars on, we can offer it all into place and tighten it all up. Okay. When you get the Fox running boards out, you'll have a bag of these fixings cling filmed to the actual bars, and they are connecting the bars to the brackets. So when you go on the underneath of the actual bar, you slot down this channel, and you put it in your rough area of where the brackets are going to be. As you can see, the bolts that are in the channel are all in the brackets, and all you've got to do now is run round with 13mm nut and washer, add them on to each one, and then tighten everything up. Right, we've run round and tightened everything up, and that's the Fox's running boards fitted.